Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Unit 1. Lesson about fruits in Urdu by Tariq Aziz. Today we are going to learn fruits in Urdu. First one, look at the picture and repeat after me. Kela, kela. Mean banana. Kela, 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 kela. How can we say? Repeat after me one more time. Kela, kela, kela. Don't stretch this word, because if you have to speak quickly. Don't say kela. Don't say like this. Say like this. Kela, kela, kela. Okay. So first one, kela, banana. Let's see first sentence. I want a banana. I want a banana. मुझे केला चाहिए. I want a banana. मुझे केला चाहिए. Okay. Now second one, सेब. सेब. How to pronounce this one? Seb. Seb. In English we say apple. Apple. In Urdu we say seb. Seb, seb. Repeat after me. Seb, seb, seb. Apple. Okay. So let me use in a sentence. First sentence. Look at the first sentence. There is one apple on the table. There is one apple on the table. Table par. We say table in English like table. There is no Urdu for table. Okay. So as you say table, we also say table. Okay. Table par ek seb hai. There is one apple on the table. How can we say in Urdu? Table par ek seb hai. Table par ek seb hai. There is one apple on the table. Second one, look at the second sentence. I want an apple. I want an apple for my breakfast. मुझे नाश्ते में. नाश्ता mean breakfast. My breakfast. मुझे नाश्ते में एक सेब चाहिए. I want an apple for my breakfast. मुझे नाश्ते में एक सेब चाहिए. मुझे नाश्ते में एक सेब चाहिए. Repeat after me. मुझे नाश्ते में एक सेब चाहिए. First one, kela, kela. Second one, seb. And now the third one, ananas. Ananas. It's hard to pronounce, but you have to try. Ananas. Ananas. Let me show you in Urdu. How can we write in Urdu? Ananas. Ananas. It means pineapple. Pineapple. Ananas. Pineapple. Ananas. Okay. Repeat after me. Ananas. Ananas. Okay, let's see in a synthesis. There are 4 pineapples in the store. There are 4 pineapples in the store. Store में 4 अनानास हैं. Store में 4 अनानास हैं. Store में 4 अनानास हैं. 4 mean 4. Store में, it means in the store. 4 4 ananas pineapple. So R है. Okay, so store में 4 ananas हैं. Second, look at the second sentence. I'm hungry, I want to eat 3 pineapples. I'm hungry, I want to eat 3 pineapples. How can we say in Urdu, I'm hungry, मैं भूखा हूँ. मैं भूखा हूँ या मुझे भूख लगी है. I'm hungry, how can we say in Urdu, मुझे भूख लगी है, या another way to say I'm hungry, मैं भूखा हूँ. Okay, मुझे 3 अनानास खाने हैं. I want to eat 3 pineapples. मुझे 3 अनानास खाने हैं. मुझे 3 अनानास खाने हैं. Next, नाशपाती. नाशपाती. How can we pronounce नाशपाती? नाशपाती. 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 Okay, don't say नाशपाती. Don't say like this. Okay, नाशपाती. Okay, नाशपाती, it means pear. Pear. नाशपाती, pear. There is one pear in the kitchen. There is one pear in the kitchen. किचन में एक नाशपाती है. किचन में एक नाशपाती है. There is one pear in the kitchen. किचन में एक नाशपाती है. Some people say नाशपाती and some people say नाशपाती. So don't worry about this. Okay, so किचन में एक नाशपाती है. Sometimes I say नाशपाती. Okay, so don't mind. Okay, second one, I hate pears. I hate pears. मुझे नफरत है नाशपाती से. मुझे नफरत है नाशपाती से. I hate pears. Look at this next one. Strawberry. There is no Urdu for strawberry and cherry. Okay, we say strawberry, you say strawberry, we also say strawberry. So there is no Urdu for strawberry. You have to say strawberry. But some people are crazy. They said rasila phal. It means juicy fruit. So some people say rasila phal. But I'm in the fruit market. I work in a fruit market. So I know there is no word for strawberry in Urdu. So because the seller and the buyers now say like this, strawberry. Okay, so you have to say strawberry. Strawberry. So let's see in a sentence. I want to buy strawberry. मुझे स्ट्रॉबेरी मैं स्ट्रॉबेरी खरीदना चाहता हूँ. I want to buy strawberry. I want to buy strawberry. मैं स्ट्रॉबेरी खरीदना चाहता हूँ. I didn't say any other word in Urdu. I said strawberry also in Urdu sentence. So it means you have to say strawberry. Okay, I want to buy strawberry. मैं स्ट्रॉबेरी खरीदना चाहता हूँ. मैं स्ट्रॉबेरी खरीदना चाहता हूँ. Next sentence. I do not eat strawberry. I do not eat strawberry. मैं स्ट्रॉबेरी नहीं खाता. मैं स्ट्रॉबेरी नहीं खाता. नेक्स्ट देखें. लेट्स सी. cherry. I told you there is no Urdu for cherry and strawberry. Okay, so cherry we also write cherry as it is in Urdu, like che ye re choti ye cherry. Okay, so let's see in sentence. I like cherry. मुझे cherry पसंद है. Do you like cherry? क्या तुम्हें cherry पसंद है? I like cherry. मुझे cherry पसंद है. Do you like cherry? क्या तुम्हें cherry पसंद है? Next, time for golden words. I will continue this lesson. Next week I will teach you more fruits in Urdu. How can we say fruits in Urdu? Fruits mean phal. Fruits mean phal. Remember this thing. What is the meaning of fruit in Urdu? Phal. Phal. Okay. I will write in my next lesson, don't worry about this. Now it's time for golden words. We can accomplish almost anything with in our ability if we but think that we can. It's difficult to understand this golden words. We can accomplish almost anything. We can get anything. It means we can get anything from our ability. But we have to think we can do this. If we think we can do this, so our ability will work and we can accomplish our goal. But if we think we cannot do anything, or we think like this, we can't, so we cannot do anything, we cannot accomplish anything. Okay, so the first thing you have to remember, one, you think positive. You have to think I can do this. Okay, when you think like this, you can accomplish almost anything in this world from your ability. Okay, second, confidence does not come when you have all the answers. It comes when you are ready to face the questions, all the questions. Confidence does not come, एतमाद कभी नहीं आता, when you have all the answers. जब तुम्हारे पास तमाम जवाब हो तो इससे कॉन्फिडेंस का कोई ताल्लुक नहीं होता. It comes, ये जब आता है, when you are ready, जब तुम तैयार होते हो, to face all the question, हर सवाल का सामना करने के लिए अगर तुम तैयार हो तो ही ये कॉन्फिडेंस आता है. I hope you like this lesson. If you like this lesson, please share this video with your friends, and please let me know how to improve my teaching method. I want to improve my teaching method. If there is any pronunciation mistake in my speaking, so please let me know, because I'm not a native English speaker. So please let me know if you have found any mistakes in my speaking. Please let me know. I will try to improve that sound. Okay, so please pray for me. Pray for my auntie. She is in coma, so please pray for my auntie and share this video with your friends. Assalamu alaikum. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Take care of your family. Take care. Hasta la vista.